Hello guys, Vincent this side. So again we came up with another problem of the SQL Leetcode SQL 50 challenge. So let's get started. So we have given a problem statement that we have to write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. Okay, so here we were given with a table. So we have to find the IDs. Okay, we have to find the IDs of the authors which have viewed their own articles. Okay, so let's get started. So in this table, so what will be the our expected output? See, author ID 3, viewer ID 5. This should not be in our output, right? We have to find all those rows, all those author IDs which have viewed their own work, right? Their own articles. See, so our expected solution may contain this result, right? Article ID 2, author ID 7, viewer ID 7. So author 7 has viewed his own article, right? In the same way we can have this in our output, that author id 4 has viewed his own work. Okay, so let's get started. As we always do, first we'll check what are the columns the table have. So for that we write the query select star from the table name. So the table name is views. Let's run it. Okay, so what are the columns we have? We are having four columns in this table, but we need only one column. That's okay. So let's write the where clause, write about the condition. So select star from views where author id, where author id, okay, where author id is equals to viewer id. Now let's run this query and see what results we are getting. Okay, so see, we get the wrong answers. That's okay. Okay, okay. So basically, we are getting three results in our output, but the expected output results are only two. Okay, that's okay. So it's an duplicate result. Okay, for that we will use. Okay, first we use the ID, select author ID. We need only one column, that is. Let's run it. See, so what we are getting author id. So instead of author id we just need id. So see, select author id, so we'll use as id. That is okay, but we are getting three rows, but we need only two rows. So instead, so here we are getting the duplicate rows. So for that we will use distinct keyword. Select, let's run it. Okay, so here we get output where we are getting. Okay, so let me check whether they need it in ascending sorting, in ascending or descending order. Okay, so they need uh, sorted by ID in ascending order. Okay, so here write order by order ID in ascending. See, so let me again go through you with the whole scenario. So here we have to find a solution where all find a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. Okay, so what we have written in the query is, first we wrote select distinct. So why we use distinct keyword? So we use the distinct keyword so that we didn't get the duplicate results in our expected output, right? And here we use the alias. So why we use alias? So we use alias to change the column name. So instead of author id, I wrote it author id as id, right? Then I put the where clause. So we the condition was the author id will be the same as the viewer id. Then I use order by. Order by is used to make the result in the orders, right? Either it can be in ascending order or it can be in descending order. So that's for today for this query. We'll again connect with another query in another session. Okay, take care. Bye bye.